Yeah, like a lot of people say, God kept you here to help others. But I don't know why He kept me here. I can't tell you. He talked to me. He ain't talked to me. My name is Richard Overton. I am 109 years old. Still walk, I still talk, and I still drive. I just got my license renewed this year. They give me an eye test. Everything they give me now, I pass it. I feel good going on driving. I like to drive myself because other drivers, they drive crazy. I am the oldest World II veteran. I went in the Army at 1940. Made you more braver, stronger. I can sleep with every door open here without a lock on it. Ain't scared. No, ain't nothing gonna bother you. You see a soldier with a gun, you don't see him turn around and go back this way. He may go sideways, but he ain't gonna turn around and go back. Don't care how hot them bullets is, he ain't gonna go back. So when you go in there, you just say, well, God got me now. See? He gonna take care of you. If it's your time to go, that bullet gonna get you. If it ain't your time to go, that bullet going over your head. It ain't gonna hit you. Because man will kill you, but God's the one keep you alive. It wasn't good, but we had to go. I built me a house, and that's in 45. That's where I've been ever since. It's a nice place to live. Yeah, I'm happy with my house. That's all I need. I buy one thing, I would use that one thing. I wouldn't buy one thing, go buy another. I got a truck out there and it runs just like I want it. And so I just keep it. But I don't fool with a credit card, never. For everything I get, I pay cash for it. I got 50 cents a day. That's way back yonder. But I lived out of that. Because everything was nickel and dime, 3 cents. I remember when the man got the first Ford, I was out working at I think I picked cotton down there. And we heard that he gonna get a car. We didn't know what a car was. We heard about it, but we never was to come to town much. My first car was a little old Ford, T-model Ford. I had to get in front and crank it. You remember them cars? I know you wasn't born there, were you? No, I know you wasn't. I just sit there and smoke sometimes 12 cigars a day, maybe sometime more than that. Anybody say, what you smoking for? It makes you feel better. But you can't inhale. Just go ahead and just swallow the cat and let it go and forget about swallowing it. If you swallow, no taste to it. Just makes you cough. I'm doing it the healthy way. Every time I get up in the morning, that cat's sitting there waiting. And either I go to bed, sometimes they're sitting up there waiting because they want to get their supper. And then they want to go to bed. But you don't feed a cat too much because he won't eat a rat. I help those cats and they keep me happy. I tell the truth, they keep me happy. I want to see my cats every morning. I wake up 1 o'clock, or either wake up at 2 or 3. Anytime I wake up, I just get up. I get me a cup of coffee sometimes. I drink about 4 cups of coffee in the morning. This morning I drank about that much whiskey. I love milk and fish, corn, and soup. I love soup. A lot of people don't like soup and don't drink milk, but I've been drinking milk for practically all my life. And ice cream, I eat ice cream every night. It makes me happy. I eat butter pecan. If you want to buy any, you buy butter pecan. It is the Overton diet. It's anybody's diet that want to eat it. Church is a wonderful place. Lovely place. Keeps me going. Makes me feel good. I think that helps me push myself along, going to church. You learn something at church too. You learn how to live better, how to treat people. We don't have all the answers. Got to save some of the answers for somebody else to do. And singing, I love that church singing. Beautiful. Church is just for everybody. But you got to go for one person, that's yourself. Good to have a spiritual life, but you got to live it. It makes you feel better to have a person around you like Miss Love. We get along real nice. Well, she's 91 years old, and I'm 109. Yeah, we go to the hospital to see people. We go to the grocery store. And we go shopping sometime, and I take you to church and take her different places. She's just a nice person. Yep, we have fun together. I've seen lots and lots of living. I'm still living good. I ain't suffering nothing. I gets what I want. So I'm still living all right. Don't give up, you're through. You just doubt yourself. I am. I'm giving you some of my secret to a long life. That if you ever use it, if you don't use it, that's your bad luck. My time ain't got here yet. And I don't know when I come here, and I don't know where I'm going. You either. Neither one of us know where we're going. I may give out, but I never give up.